What's up guys, it's Travis. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the stock market and what I expect to see coming in the next couple of weeks. Let's get started. I'd say that most, if not all of us right now who are watching this video fall into two categories. The first group of people are the people that are wondering whether or not it's a good idea to lock in those profits. They've made a lot of profits over the last couple of weeks and they're kind of hesitant to keep holding because of how fast the market has gone up. And the second category of people are wondering whether or not they should start investing now. So let's break that down a little bit. Let's look at the market itself and determine whether or not this is a good idea. So literally 3 weeks ago, we saw the Dow Jones just plummet all the way down, breaking 20,000 points in a matter of days from its all-time highs of around 30,000 points back in February. In the last 2 weeks, we've seen over a 5,000 point gap up in the Dow Jones. That is insane. So back in the beginning of March, we saw a huge sell-off in the markets because of the whole Roni situation. And now it seems like the market has really grown optimistic and believing that we're gonna be opening up back for business and being where we were just a few months ago. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do want to share with you guys what I expect to be seeing in the next couple of weeks. So as you guys know, I was heavily invested in the markets just a few weeks ago, and with this huge gap up, it really makes me question how sustainable this gap up really is. Something that investors need to remember is that when we see huge push-ups like this, they're very rarely ever sustainable. So right now, as the market sentiment continues to grow in optimism, I believe we're going to be really setting ourselves up for another nice pullback in the next couple of weeks or so. Investors, including myself, are experiencing this thing called FOMO, which stands for the fear of missing out. And this is a terrible position to be in as an investor. We need to see value in our trades before we go and just purchase stocks. And a huge problem that we see with investors that experience FOMO, they oftentimes make the mistake of buying these stocks at a premium only to see that stock drop significantly in the next couple of days or weeks to come. These stocks are way up here already and we're afraid that we're gonna miss out on a little bit more profits. The higher that you buy, the less of a deal you have. So you only have between here and the top versus if you bought lower, there's a lot more margin there to make profits. So something that I've learned as a trader is as I start to experience FOMO, I start to pull out more and more of my positions so that I'm more cash heavy or I have more cash on the sidelines that's ready to invest in case we do see another pullback. And for those of you guys who are wondering whether or not I'm still in the market, I am, honestly. I think that the market is still at a great discount. I've got about $8,000 in a REIT right now called Realty Income, but I will be looking to start selling off that position as it grows because I am expecting a pullback in the next couple of weeks or so. This video is not to tell you guys what to invest in and what not to invest in, or when to buy and when not to buy. It's really all up to you guys, your strategies and what you guys feel comfortable with. And hopefully you guys were able to take something from this video. I really hope that you guys had some nice profits these last couple of weeks and that we're really able to maintain those profits and continue moving forward without getting emotional with what's happening in the stock market right now. If you guys have any kind of ideas of what you'd like to see in future videos, please feel free to let me know. I love supporting you guys and helping you guys out just like you guys help me out. So I love you guys and I hope to be seeing you guys in the next video. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.